Attracting more buyers on Fiverr requires a combination of effective strategies and consistent effort. Here are some tips to help you increase your visibility and attract potential clients. 1. Optimize your gigs, *. Create detailed and well-structured gig descriptions. Use clear, professional images and videos that showcase your work. Include relevant keywords in your gig title, description, and tags. Offer different package options with varying prices to cater to a broader range of clients. Highlight your unique selling points and what makes your services stand out. 2. Deliver high-quality work, *. Consistently provide top-notch work to your clients. Meet or exceed deadlines and commitments. Encourage clients to leave positive reviews by providing excellent customer service. 3. Maintain good communication, *. Respond promptly to client messages and inquiries. Keep clients informed about the progress of their orders. Be courteous and professional in all communications. 4. Price competitively, *. Research the market rates for your services and set competitive prices. Consider offering initial discounts or promotions to attract your first clients and gather reviews. 5. Build a strong profile, *. Complete your Fiverr profile with a professional photo, detailed bio, and portfolio. Showcase your expertise and experience. 6. Use social media, *. Promote your Fiverr gigs on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Join relevant groups and forums to connect with potential clients. 7. Create a website or blog, *. Build a personal website or blog to showcase your skills, work samples, and client testimonials. Link to your Fiverr profile from your website to direct traffic. 8. Offer upsells and extras, *. Include gig extras that allow clients to customize their orders. Offer additional services at an extra cost to increase your earnings. 9. Seek reviews and ratings, *. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews and ratings. These reviews build trust and credibility with potential clients. 11. Fiverr buyer requests, *. Regularly check the Buyer Requests section on Fiverr. Respond to relevant requests with personalized proposals. 13. Advertise with Fiverr ads, *. Fiverr offers a paid promotion service called Fiverr Ads. Consider using this to boost the visibility of your gigs within Fiverr search results. 14. Specialize and diversify, *. Specialize in a particular niche to stand out as an expert. Offer a variety of services within your niche to cater to different client needs. 15. Promotions and discounts, *. Offer limited time promotions or discounts to attract new clients. Mention these promotions in your gig descriptions. 16. Regularly update gigs, *. Update your gig titles, descriptions, and images to keep your offerings fresh and relevant. 17. Network and collaborate, *. Connect with other sellers and consider collaborating on projects or referring clients to each other. 18. Track your analytics, *. Use Fiverr's analytics tools to understand the performance of your gigs and make data-driven improvements. Remember that success on Fiverr often takes time, and consistency is key. By applying these strategies and continually improving your services, you can attract more buyers and build a thriving freelance business on the platform.